Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to 5th day of Vlogmas, and in this video I'm going to share with you all a few tips to actually use your planner. So I know ये बहुत बार होता है that we buy these fancy planners and never actually use them. It used to happen to me a lot in the beginning because I am a big stationery person. I would buy these fancy pens, diaries, planners and whatnot, but I never actually use them because I was confused about what to do with them. So I thought I should make a video about this now that I have been using planners for good number of years, and I have learned my way through it. So I thought I should share with you guys. Also because I recently had this conversation with one of my friends, Rucha. She was telling me that she bought this really fancy planner this year, like in 2021, but did not actually use it. So most of her planner is blank, and now she's like, what am I supposed to do with it now? So I thought I should make this video. So yeah, let's get started. One thing is to choose the planner that is right for you. So there are so many planners available in the market, and it might get a little overwhelming as to like what to choose because you have so many options. So I would suggest pick something that works best for you. If you're somebody who likes to journal, you can buy planner which specifically has the journaling column in it. If you're somebody who just likes to straight away plan your days, or like plan bullet journaling, so you can buy planners which are specifically made for that. If you're somebody who likes to I don't know what that is called, but there is this idea where you kind of build a relationship with God with the use of planner, and then you write about it, and I don't know, there is this whole thing about it that I'm not aware of. But if you are into it, buy planner which is specifically made for that. I have never used it, I don't think I will, but if you are into it, you should definitely try those. So there are a lot of planners available in the market, so instead of going for what is hot and what is in trend, go for something that works for you. Number 2 is to keep your planner visible. So it happens quite a lot of time that you buy something and then you keep it like hidden in your drawer or in your cupboard or somewhere that you can't see. So it's, I think, a good idea that you keep your planner somewhere which is very visible so that you actually see it. So when you actually see it, you might pick it up and actually use it. I always keep my planner on my bedside, like there is my planner there right now. I always like to keep there so that every time I see it, I feel plan something. So it works really well. Number 3 is to set a time to plan. So like pick out a time that works best for you to plan. I personally plan every day before I go to sleep, and every time like I wake up in the morning. So before I sleep, I like to sit with my planner and plan my next day. And when I wake up in the morning, I like to go through like what I have planned for that particular day. It works best for me. I obviously use my planner throughout the day, but these 2 times I definitely use it. So pick out the time that works best for you. If you want to, you can like set an alarm so that it's a great reminder for you to actually use your planner, so that you will actually use it. Number 4 is use your planner to plan all aspects of your life. So बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि you have a planner and you have no idea what to write in it and what to plan. So you can plan different aspects of your life. You can do meal planning, you can do grocery list. If you're a student, you can write your exam schedule and your study schedule and like everything study related. You can write your to-do list. You can also mark your important events on your monthly calendar. So yeah, try to figure out what else you can do with your planner and plan accordingly. Number 5 is to-do list. I think to-do lists are amazing way to use your planner. You can like make list of things that you want to do every single day, and it works the best for me at least, and I would definitely recommend trying making to-do list for every single day, so that you will actually use your planner. Number 6, use monthly calendar and weekly calendar to plan your months and weeks ahead. So you can actually use your monthly calendar to plan ahead of the month. You can pin down, like you can put down your important events, you can put down birthdays of your favorite people. You can so basically you have an idea before time how your month is going to look like, which I think really helps to set the tone for the month. Also same for week, you can like plan your week ahead. I think this is a great way to use a planner. Number 7th is to use pretty pens. So if you're like me who is into stationery and cute like pens and all of that, I would definitely recommend it. If you have different pens and washi tapes and paper clips and stickers, the chances are you might use your planner more often because it looks cute. Who would not want that? So you can do that. Number 8, you can also keep it simple. I mean, do you? If you are not into pens and all of that and you find it overwhelming, you can use one pen and a book and you can start planning. So this is what I have learned the hard way, that messy planner is better than blank one. So in the beginning I was obsessed with making my cute and aesthetic, and I would try really hard to not make a mistake. But later I realized that this was really stupid and I was not actually using my planner the right way. So I think a messy planner is better than a blank one. So it's fine if your planner looks a little messy and all over the place, but it's important that you're using it. So that's it. These were a few tips that might help you to actually use your planner. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click on the bell icon so that every time I post a video you will get the notification. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.